To learn digital literacy, you must first understand the four components that make it up. These include information, which means understanding how to use and store information that is needed. You then have tools, which is knowing what tools you have and which ones are appropriate for each task that you do. Social, which includes safe ways of communicating your information. And the last factor is instructional design, which allows you to learn about your learners and their environment. Knowing those four things will help build the foundation for digital literacy. You then must learn the importance of the four C's, which are communication, collaboration, creativity, and critical thinking. These four things are essential for the 21st century. As an educator, you are responsible for knowing and teaching in a way that will keep the students engaged, as well as still teach them everything they need to know. As students, they will probably already know about online tools and use them often, but educators will be able to teach them about useful sites that will help them educationally and not use social networking as just a place to procrastinate and waste their time. Websites such as Wiki, Pinterest, and Screencast are all useful sites to use when learning to be more literate in the digital world, as well as building a better connection with the students.